Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Superintendent of Police Traffic ka East Husiar District uke Prasad haga khan reutruk ujulliu arachar arpusan lapintikna bakatanat pulit klayo gijing matha anu commissioner katanat transport haga bede bagijing penjari khamprking yagi kendon penyat kali haga jinga kran bakilar pathai kubor Prasad lapin pau dag babut renti yakani ka hukum labatha ibro gi pulit traffic haga district bakin pelong gijing kendra ka babnya batladalap ikinu kwepen ken kincha Pynshitom kat komi kendon jongkaan Ulapin tip ru bagi traffic branch kibiran hapo ke district lapet ngor Baham minta ban buddin ni gijing shim wai bean yaki kali nigi Scooty jong kiri shimen pula banjur bala dalap ikinu bepenyai klaim ikot gisla nigi permit babiang kingat gijing Shah Pynshitom kat komi kendon jongkaan.
Yes, we have received the order. In pursuance of the order issued by the Commissioner and Transports, we have activated our ground staffs, all the traffic personnel, to go for checking. And whoever is found during the checkings, we will take the appropriate actions according to the MBAs. This is for the East Husiar so far concerned, because the thing is that it will be applicable in the state of Meghalaya since the Commissioner of Transport, he has already issued this order. So this will be implemented throughout in Meghalaya. We started checking the vehicles. Those are coming from the outside as well as inside the city also. There are certain prime locations where we have already put our traffic people to be on the job to check. If anyone is found violated the provision which have been laid on under section 192A of the MB Act and 207 of the MB Act, so we are going to take the strict actions. Rapidos which have not been registered under the transport departments, they will also come under the purview of that. The East Husiar only. All the places where we have the 7 traffic stations, traffic branches, all the traffic branches have been activated to check the activities. If anyone is giving or hiring the private scooters or private vehicles without having the valid permit or being registered, our traffic police, they are going to take up the suitable actions. We have put up the NACA. The NACA is going day and night even. And our traffic people also at every junctions like in the viewpoints, Molai, then so to say in MES junction also, they are conducting the checkings. If any such complaints are there, definitely we are going to take up the actions.
And now have you received any complaints?
We have already exhorted the peoples. We have asked the tourist taxi associations. There are some like-minded peoples are also there. They are giving us the information. As and when the informations are coming to us, we will take the appropriate actions. See, so far the traffic is concerned, we are giving the free regulations. We are monitoring the traffic. We are ensuring that there should not be any obstructions. But due to the ongoing constructions at MES stage from the Rhino Point to the Upper Shillongs, there is a bit congestions in between. So, however, the traffic police they are maintaining, and we have deployed enough people there to main the streets so that there should not be any problems. Traffic as usual is going smoothly that side. As you know that the MES is one of the vital point that where we are connecting to 3 districts. So traffic flow is going on. There is
No disturbance.
no disturbance as such. Yeah.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.